So hello and welcome back editors. Today I will show you how to create a gradient ramp effect and using your After Effects. So a lot of you guys are asking me for this tutorial, so now I am here with the tutorial. So without any wasting time, firstly let's see the preview.
Will this work? I guess we'll find out. Come on.
Firstly go to this T icon or press only Ctrl plus T, then click on the video and your text appears. Then add your text. For example, my text is slow edits. Then go to align and align horizontally, then choose align vertically. This will automatically give your text in the middle of the clip. As you can see, I am using Arial italic font. Then here you can need to add some effects for gradient ramp. Firstly add bevel alpha, then add gradient ramp effect, then add deep glow, then add drop shadow effect. Again Ctrl plus D to add again drop shadow. Then put the first drop shadow amount opacity up to 100. Then go to second drop shadow and choose the opacity up to 100. Then put the distance amount of first drop shadow is 8. Then go to second drop shadow effect and put the softness amount up to 200. Then go to deep glow and set the exposure amount up to 0.32. Make it up to 0.33 to 35. Then go to gradient ramp and here you can choose colors. I like my colors of white and that blue. You can choose your color, any color you want and you like according to the clip. Then go to bevel alpha and set the edge thickness amount up to 4. Then go to gradient ramp effect. Once you click the gradient ramp effect, you will see these two bars. Firstly, end color bar, simply drag it to your text, and start color, as I choose white, you can choose any color you want. And here's, as you can see, our gradient text is ready. I can move this to right, then it will, the left side of the gradient ramp is blue and right side is white. I like these settings. You can choose any settings you want. Another text of another gradient text effect is up to linear ramp is selected. Ramp shape is linear ramp. Choose the radial ramp. Then as you can see, there's only white. Move the end color up to right side of the text and you will see the SLO and ITZ will be blue and the mid part WED and EZ will be remains white. So this is the gradient ramp text, and once you do this, turn on the motion blur effect, then add your text animation. For example, I have the text animation by me text animation. If you want the exact same text animation like I did, then simply comment text and I'll leave the link of Google Drive into your comments. And as you can see, our text animation looks like this and it's so smooth. Adjust the keyframes according to your voiceover of the clip. This is the final look. Then cut the remaining part. Ctrl Shift and D, then press delete. As you can see, our smooth text animation and gradient ramp text combined with the gradient ramp text is ready. So that's it for today's, guys. Thank you for 55k subscribers. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye.